In today's lesson, we will examine an important discovery made by the astronomer Johannes Kepler around the 17th century. Students will tape a sheet of paper to a thick piece of cardboard and push a thumbtack through the center of the board. Be careful not to scratch the table underneath. They will tie one end of a 20 centimeter piece of string around the tack and the other end around the pencil and draw a circle. By the hole left by the tack, label this sun. They will use the same sheet of paper to draw an ellipse. They should draw a 20 centimeter line through the center of the sun, so there is 10 centimeters on one side of the dot and 10 centimeters on the other side of the dot. This time, they will press 2 thumbtacks at each end of the line. They will tie a 60 centimeter string together, making a loop, and put it around both the thumbtacks and place the pencil inside the loop. With the string taut, the student should move the pencil around the paper until they draw an ellipse. An ellipse is what Kepler proposed was the shape of the Earth's orbit around the Sun. As astronomers began to realize that the Earth was not the center of the universe, most of them still thought the Earth followed a circular path around the Sun. Now students should use the piece of paper to draw an additional elliptical shape. They can change the distance between the thumbtacks and change the length of the string.